Let's take a look at the argument, claim, counterclaim progression within the ELA literacy learning progressions. You'll notice I've selected the writing strand in the upper drop-down menu and the ELA argumentative category within the secondary drop-down. I've scrolled all the way over to the 11th and 12th grade expectations. These are the expectations of students. It's what it means to be college and career ready within ELA argumentative writing. Now I want to focus on development, evidence, and sources. The expectation for college and career, that students can develop claims and counterclaims fairly and thoroughly, supplying the most relevant evidence for each while pointing out the strengths and limitations of both in a manner that anticipates the audience's knowledge level, concerns, values, and possible biases. You'll notice once again that the underlined words are the key progressions as outlined by Park. Now let's back map how we can get kids there. You'll also notice that this is writing standard number 1 at the kindergarten, first, and second grade level. At the third grade level, the standard 1, which is the argumentative writing standard, gets broken down into A, B, C, so on and so forth. We're going to stick right with the development, evidence, and sources, and focus on the progression of argument, claim, and counterclaim. In kindergarten, by the end of kindergarten, a student should be able to state an opinion or preference about the topic or book. First grade, state an opinion and supply a reason for the opinion. Second grade, pretty similar. Third grade, pretty similar. Fourth grade, now again, as we look at progressions within standards, we focus on verbs and then the key progressions, which are the underlined words outlined by Park. In fourth grade, by the end of fourth grade, a student should be able to provide reasons that are supported by facts and details. Development, evidence, sources within argumentative writing. By the end of fifth grade, provide logically ordered reasons that are supported by facts and details. Sixth grade is a pretty big jump. Now we need to support claims with clear reasons and relevant evidence using credible sources and demonstrating an understanding of the topic or text. Seventh grade, by the end of seventh grade, same skill, just ensure that the reasoning used is logical and the evidence is accurate. Eighth grade, same expectation as seventh grade. Now a big jump goes into this 9th and 10th grade band. Now by the end of 10th grade, students should be able to independently develop claims and counterclaims fairly, supplying evidence for each while pointing out the strengths and limitations of both in a manner that anticipates the audience's knowledge level and concerns. And then you can remember where we started with the expectation of college and career ready. So again, as you look through these progressions, pay attention to the verbs and the underlined words, which are the key progressions outlined by Park. This use case focused on writing, ELA argumentative writing, in the categories of development, evidence, and sources, with a special emphasis on argument, claim, and counterclaim.